Bafike bazongena bazenzela kule shop ezigcwele lana kumele iphele namhlanje. We are saying to Pick n Pay, we are saying to Mark and Bean, under the section 19.4 of Employment Service Act, it's guide and prompt to guide you that you must employ foreign national only on a critical skill. But people who are about they are not fulfilling the critical skill. It's a non-skilled job. Law 70 belongs to the South Africans. We will not gonna compromise with anyone that contravenes the laws of our country. We will not compromise with anyone that contravenes Section 19.4 of Employment Service Act of 2014, where it guides you who must be employed in a non-skilled job. There will be people to actually bring the people to come to work. Actually, we should be having a massive margin. But because siyazi ukuthi niqashe abantu bofika, siyazi ukuthi niqashe abantu who are not supposed to be in our country, who are documented, who are illegal in our country. We cannot allow that. And in terms of the police services, people will have a right to arrest without a warrant. That one is known, but we don't see you doing that. I don't know for some reason why. Because the Criminal Procedure Act guides you from upholding your section 13.2 and 13.4. So we say, again, many now, because the South Africa, the South Africa, if never went in over, in Ganzeni Zomazin Koba, so we have a brigadier, so we have a station commander, so we have a post. His card is to name and protect the citizens who are here, who are actually raising their concern with regard to what transact on the. We are saying to you, without wasting time, there will be CVs that will be coming to you. There will be CVs that will be coming to Pick n Pay. We want to see our people getting employed under Section 19.4 of Employment Service Act number 4 of 2014. Without fear or favor, we don't compromise as to harm. South Africans. Last more, South Africa belongs to South Africans. Zimbabwe for Zimbabwe. Nigeria for Nigeria. China for China. Ethiopia for Ethiopia. Pakistan for Pakistan. In South Africa is way too. Bahlali basemzansi sine memorandum lana esizwenikeza indoda yaseMark n Bean nePick n Pay. Sizofunda imemorandum e1 ngoba ziyafana. Sikhuluma inkulumo efanayo. Mark n Bean Concerned Citizen Memorandum of Demands. Section 19.4 Compliance Notice. Date 11 July 2026 to attention to HR Department. To Mark n Bean, Section 19.4. To whom it may concern. We are here today as concerned citizens of Orange Group on this day to hand or deliver our Memorandum of Demand for employment. Notice is hereby given to the above-mentioned business entity in terms of Section 19.4 of Immigration Act number 13 of 2002. Read together with Section number 8 of Employment Service Act number 4 of 2014, which prompt and guide employers to strictly hire foreign nationals on a critical rescue jobs, which is what I told you. And further state that the employment of foreign nationals must be on a transfer skill basis by such foreign nationals to South Africa for a prescribed period of time. Demand and expectation. We, the concerned citizens of Orange Group, expect and demand the following from your company. To put South Africa first, our youth in particular, when hiring employees in your company. The low-earning jobs must be reserved and given to South Africans 100% locals. Home Affairs Minister Directive hereby in terms of Section 19.4 and 27B of the Immigration Act number 13 of 2002 determine the critical skill list signed and gazetted on the 3rd of October 2023 by Minister Dr. Motsoaledi. Mark n Bean must adhere by this business entity critical skill list provided. which those critical skills are provided on a gazette. You open that gazette, nizothola ukuthi abantu bofika kumele baqashwe imisebenzi enjani. Which are those critical skills? Le misebenzi egolelana akuyona abantu bangaphandle, eyethu ama-South Africans. The prohibition against of illegal and undocumented foreign nationals as per Section 38.1 of Immigration Act number 13 of 2002. So my khuluma ngo Section 38. If you have found that you have employed umuntu wokufika ongekho komthetho, a person that owns the premises, mela boshwe, mela ye prison, or either he pays a fine of an estimated amount. Do you hear me, sir? If they found you have employed somebody that is illegally, who is undocumented, you're gonna be arrested for boshwa, and then you must pay a fine if that is the case. Do you hear me? We are giving you 7 days to implement and comply with the notice given. Failure to do so, we will have to rope in the relevant law enforcement agencies and Department of Home Affairs, Immigration and Labor to enforce the following. Section 41 of Immigration Act number 13 of 2002, which allows Home Affairs to ask for identity and verify identification documents of every employee your business is hired. Section 38, number 5 of Immigration Act number 13 of 2002 reads, if an illegal foreigner is found on a premises where a business is conducted, it shall be presumed that such foreigner was employed by the person who has control over such premises unless prima facie evidence to contrary is adduced. This is what I told you right now, it's here. It's the law of our country, and those laws cannot be undermined. You employers have took this country for the ride. You are contributing to the drag of our children on our country. You are contributing to a loss or to a highest number of unemployment rate. Because why? Anikashi abantu bama South Africans. Anfunu ukasha abantu basekhaya. Senzeni kangaka ngoba salwela lelizwe. Senzeni thina ama South African we thina sisiduniselwa inkampani ezibuild in South Africa. These companies are built in South Africa. They must prioritize our South Africans. South Africans must come first before others. The foreign nationals, they've got their own country. Mabahambe bayolwa ilizwe labo. Mabahambe bayolwa izinto zabo. Hayi la South Africa. South Africa yethu washwa nabantu abaningi lana. Igazi lachitheka kulomhlaba. Silwa nombuso wobandlululo. We cannot allow that. We fought against the apartheid regime to ensure that South Africa is liberated and it has a freedom of dispensation. But today, you are undermining the same South Africa who made you who you are today. Amanda! The same memorandum is the same air ethic and pay. So, Sizobaniga, Commander Rose, I think that will be your task to give them to sign. Stellumutu Makenbin, take yours. And then you must give them two. What's the HR of your campaign?